Well, summer is absolutely boiling, and that's not the only thing on fire, as Rollercoin Season 9 around the world is in full swing, and at the moment there's another great progression event that's on the last few days, Galaxy Far Far Away. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so by now you might be used to me doing some Rollercoin videos and explaining the new progression events as they come out, and the way I like to do it is by actually showing you the event itself, explaining some of the differences that there might be from the previous progression events, and also showing you a list of all the miners and the rewards that you can achieve in the progression event and all of the power of the miners that you can achieve as well. Here on my screen you can see my Rollercoin room, or shall I say rooms, okay, I've got more now. What I'd like to highlight today is the Galaxy Far Far Away progression event that at the time of recording this video there are still 3 days remaining for the event, so basically you've got the entire weekend and probably Monday as well to complete the progression event and try to achieve all of the rewards. As you can see, I'm currently on this reward here, 22,000 gigahash, which is 22 terahash, and here you can see the quests for this progression event. Now, when the season had started in the previous progression event, there were slight differences in the points. For example, in the last progression event, we had to get to a higher difficulty level in a game. It was set at 600 points, but for this progression event, which should be slightly easier, with less points required in order to be able to achieve all of the rewards, this is now at 500 points to get to a higher difficulty level in a game. As well, we have the 1000 points that you can spend anywhere except the marketplace and the crafting offer and mergers. Okay, so basically you can do like the weekly offers that there are and buy things. You can buy, for example, the room upgrades and things like that. Those are all eligible for these 1000 points because you're not going to be spending that 1 RLT in the marketplace or for the crafting offers and the mergers. Okay, so if you spend 1 RLT obviously in the marketplace, you get 400 points, so that's the least points you will achieve is for spending 1 RLT in the marketplace. And again, spending 1 RLT for crafting offers, you're going to get 1000 points there. Okay, so that's pretty good as well, so be sure to keep an eye on those, and I do have another video on the crafting offers coming out soon as well. And spending 1 RLT for mergers, so keep the mergers in mind as well. When you're merging, keep in mind that it's not just merging the miners, but even if you merge parts, okay? If you actually upgrade the parts from common to uncommon to epic, legendary, and so on, okay? So do be sure to keep the merge in mind, and again, not just for the miners, as it counts for the parts as well. So now, what I like to do, like always, Galaxy Far Far Away progression event. Thank you to Piero, like always, for sharing this list out because it is always really helpful. Again, you can find these lists as soon as progression events do come out on Rollercoin's Discord channel, so be sure to check it out if you haven't already. So this is the entire list. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so you can see it a bit better of all the rewards that you can get. There are 25 in total. Again, I have calculated all of the mining power that you can get. Now, bear in mind as well that there are also bonuses attached to the miners. It's not just the mining power that counts, but even the bonuses, no matter how small they may be, because they will accumulate over time as well. So these are pretty much all of the rewards, and there are also XP points to help you blast your way through the Season 9 quests as well. So everything is important, even in small quantities. They do start to add up over time, and I have taken the liberty to actually calculate all of the miners and their power for you. You don't have to, and I have calculated that to be slightly over 1.5 petahash per second if you actually manage to receive all of the rewards and get to the very end, which is the gravity miner at 500 terahash per second with a 4 5% bonus attached to it. Okay, so that's just going to be slightly over 1.5 petahash. This is the calculation if you get all of the rewards for this galaxy far, far away progression event. So in a nutshell, that's basically all I wanted to tell you today, and I will be obviously putting more videos out there on Rollercoin and obviously other videos as well, so be sure to check out all of my other videos, not just on Rollercoin but everything else on my channel as well. I also have other Rollercoin videos obviously of how you can actually get through the games faster, so be sure to check that out. That is currently linked up there in the description there at the top, and also I'm going to leave it down below in the description below the video so you can actually find that video faster as well. Important that you do actually check those out because they will actually help you get through games faster and free up your time even faster as well. I also have a multipliers video, how you can use multipliers in progression events like this one here in order for you to effectively use those multipliers much better as well and actually make the most of the time that you have with the multiplier. And I'll also be leaving a link to that video down in the description below, so be sure to check those out. If you're not currently on Rollercoin and you would like to sign up to the game, please use my referral link down below in the description as well, as that will automatically give you 1000 Satoshi to get you started in your Rollercoin journey. Like always, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and stay cool at the moment because of the boiling heat, and thanks for watching.